So I'm trying a new way of doing this. I'm going to be recording with the microphone and or recording the audio with my microphone and then recording the video with my iPhone. I'm just going to merge the audio together so hopefully it looks better. So this is an Apple IIc with SKCM Amber Alps. I plan on ordering another one of these boards, taking the switches, and then building either a TKL or an AEK64 with them. So this is what they sound like. Can't plug it in or anything because of this connector. These switches right here, these top ones, these are lock switches, same with the caps lock down here, but this top reset switch is also an Amber Alp. So yeah, that's it.